Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, change the color of shape, select a photo, remove the background color, save the shape and photo, select the stroke, adjust the color weight, select another sticker. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.